Ever find yourself in a tight spot, needing cash fast, but your paycheck still feels miles away? You're not alone. That's where services like Beforepay come in. But here's the burning question: can you actually withdraw cash from your Beforepay account? Let's dive in and find out. Beforepay is a fantastic tool for accessing a portion of your earned wages early. It's a lifesaver for unexpected expenses, covering those last-minute bills, or simply smoothing out your cash flow. But can you simply withdraw that early access cash as cold, hard currency? The short answer is, it depends. Here's the breakdown. Direct cash withdrawal. Most Beforepay providers don't offer direct cash withdrawals. Think of it like this: you're essentially getting an advance on your paycheck, not borrowing money. The funds are typically deposited directly into your linked bank account. ATM withdrawals. Since the funds are usually deposited into your bank account, you can absolutely use your bank card to withdraw cash at an ATM. Cashback options. Some retailers offer cashback options when you make a purchase with your debit card. This is another way to get cash using your Beforepay funds. Check cashing services. While not ideal, you could potentially cash a check drawn from your bank account if your Beforepay funds have been deposited. However, check cashing services often charge fees, so this isn't always the most cost-effective method. Important considerations. Beforepay policies. Always review the specific terms and conditions of your Beforepay provider. Some providers may have limited withdrawal options or restrictions. Fees. Be mindful of any potential fees associated with withdrawing cash. These could include ATM fees, overdraft fees, or fees charged by check cashing services. Responsible use. Beforepay is a valuable tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. Only withdraw what you need and ensure you can repay the advance on your next payday. While you might not be able to directly withdraw cash from your Beforepay account, you have several options to access your funds. By understanding how Beforepay works and exploring available methods, you can effectively manage your cash flow and make the most of this convenient service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.